Magandang hapon po ng Wednesday, July 24, 2024. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 PM draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 PM draw result ngayong hapon ng Wednesday, July 24, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ang lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 5 PM. 3D Lotto 5 PM draw result ngayong hapon ng July 24, 2024 Wednesday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero ang lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5 PM. 'See you again later for 9 PM draw result of Grand Lotto 655, Mega Lotto 645, 4D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for Wednesday, July 24, 2024. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Grand Lotto 655 is 119.5 million pesos and Mega Lotto 645 jackpot price estimates is 12.5 million pesos for July 24, 2024 Wednesday. Thank you for watching this 5 PM video for Wednesday, July 24, 2024. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.